Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to tell you about credit card. So a lot of people don't know about the types of credit card that exist. So there are two types of credit card I'm going to talk about. I'm assuming you know the basics of credit card. So there are two types of credit card, secured and unsecured. So the first is the unsecured credit card, which everyone is aware about, that you go to a bank, you get a credit card issued, and you use a credit card as you know it is. The second is the secured credit card, which a lot of people are not aware about. The basic difference between the secured and unsecured credit card is that the method of issuing these credit cards are a little different. In secured credit card, what you do is you go to a bank and you say that you want to make a fixed deposit of suppose 50,000 rupees, right? So after you make a fixed deposit of 50,000 rupees, you would issued an credit you would get an credit card which would have a limit of around 40,000, which is basically the 80% of the FD amount, 40,000 per month, right? So, and this is, people usually go for the secure credit card when they don't have any credit history, like me. Like I was the one, I transitioned from my college to corporate life, basically from a non-earning life to a earning life. So now since I have an earning but I don't have any credit history, I can go for a secure credit card, and I visit a bank. I'll say them ki please create a fixed deposit worth 50,000 rupees, and I'll be getting a credit card having a amount of 40,000 per month. So the FD amount is basically a leverage against me. The bank holds, and they can give me issue a credit card. So these are the two credit cards that now you know. Now comes the issue, like suppose you don't, the way to get a secured credit card is always completely offline. There's no usually a way online to make a fixed deposit worth 50,000 and then get a credit card issued. I might be wrong on this, but as far as I'm aware, there's no actually direct method for it. So what you can do is, there are some other methods that people are not usually aware about. These are some unconventional methods, and these methods affecting your credit score is a bit of a gray area. So I would not quote on that, but I'll quote on this, that the methods I'm going to tell you about is going to give you a credit history. A credit card also needs a credit history that you should have. So the first method is using Simple Pay. Simple Pay is one of the apps that gives you a small amount of loans, like 1,500 to 2,000 rupees. You use it in a month and then pay it like a credit card. The second is the Lazy Pay. This is also a same app that you can that you can download it and use it as a credit card. Now third comes the Amazon Pay Later. You might be aware of it, that Amazon Pay Later is also a thing. You might be receiving a lot of notifications that use Amazon Pay Later, that and that. This will also give you a credit history in case you don't have one. Now the fourth comes the Flipkart Pay Later. There's a option in Flipkart app, if you are aware about it, that is buy now and pay later. This would also get to your credit card history, credit report history, right? So this would not affect you. So as I mentioned earlier also, that that whether these four apps affect your credit history directly, credit score directly, is a gray area. This, yes, but this gives you a credit history. And then post that, there's a pretty high chance that after you use these features for like 6 to 8 months, you would get you would get a credit card as easy as it is online and stuff. Now the fifth method I'm going to talk about is issuing of a one card. So this is not a sponsored message. One card, I've been using one card personally, and this is a secured credit card. But the only good thing about this is, the only pro about this is that you just need to FD amount of 5,000. Earlier it used to be 2,000, and the pro of this is that you get 100% of your FD amount as the credit card limit per month. So you make a fixed deposit of 5,000, and it also gives you an interest rate at 6.8%, and post that you can use it like a normal credit card. And yes, this one card is directly going to affect your credit card score. So if you do not make any defaults, you would be getting a good credit score, and then you could get a new credit card based on your desire, like whatever credit card you wanted to get issued, you can directly get that. So usually the credit card is not issued to you in a bank if you don't have a savings account in it. Like if you want an XYZ bank credit card, so there's a pretty high chance that you would get a credit card of the same bank very easily if you already have a saving account in it. So that is one thing. So, but usually the bank you have account in don't offer the best cashback and stuff. So I would suggest you to get a good credit, or if you want, you can get a credit card from that bank itself. Use it for 6 months, get your credit score high, and then issue a new card, issue a card that you desire. And this is all the method you can do. And the other 4 options that I've told you about, the different apps that you can use. And I hope this video was helpful. And yes, there was no sponsored message at all. Obviously, this is a very small channel right now. So thank you for watching my video. Hit on the comment, write on the comments if you want to know about anything specific. And thanks for watching my video. If you have watched so far, hit like would be great.